Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Gather a heat gun or hair dryer, dental floss or fishing line, a plastic card, and isopropyl alcohol. Park in shade so adhesive softens predictably. Warm a corner of the visor tape to roughly 90 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat until the glue becomes tacky. Use the plastic card to lift an edge, then thread floss underneath. You work with a sawing motion to avoid tearing. This first pass separates tape from paint, while minimizing stress. Once you have a corner free, saw evenly with the floss while keeping the next section heated. You want steady movement, not fast jerks. If the tape tears, stop, reheat that area, and lift the remaining strip with the plastic card before resuming. For stubborn glue, apply adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl alcohol and let it soak for a minute. Then scrape gently with a plastic scraper at a shallow angle. Make sure to work small sections so the solvent doesn't sit too long. Finish by wiping the area with isopropyl alcohol, then wash with mild soap and water and dry thoroughly so you can inspect the surface. If tiny particles remain, use a clay bar or a gentle detailing polish to lift them without harming paint. Make sure to check edges for leftover adhesive and remove with solvent and a plastic scraper. If you hit resistance or see paint lift, stop immediately. Key troubleshooting tip: reheat the stubborn area and apply a dedicated adhesive solvent. Repeat gently rather than forcing removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.